Moving towards the second method, that is using the pop method. What we are going to do over here is first we are creating a function. After that we are popping the first element out and then storing it in the first variable, and then we are again popping the last variable out and then storing it in the last variable. After that we are inserting the last variable in the zeroth index of our list, and then we are adding the first element to the last element using an dot append function, and then we are returning our list. After that we are printing it out. Now moving towards the third method, that is using the list slicing. What we are going to do over here is we are going to create a function, and then we are again swapping the first and the last element values in a one liner code. As you can see it over here, the list 0 and the list -1, they shows the first and the last elements of our list. We are swapping them with the last and the first element of our list, and we are returning our list. After that we are printing it out.